Chiame a buga I drone cool. Laochra síocht in a cosa Gael láidracht in intan aige. Bhí sé sa léir an tús, okay, seo fear tá dul in áit éigean mar sin an crota thuma cainte bhí sé dul in áit éigean. I gcónaí bhí sé dul in áit éigean, agus fós tá Tony ag dul in áit éigean.
Well, Tony Griffin, good shoulder by Kennedy. Griffin does well, and he puts it over the bar, and he is having a stormer.
For a new fellow coming on, Griffin is playing great stuff. That's 6 from play.
My abiding memory is in the old Park Creeve, the dressing rooms were tiny, and coming out, and there was a throng of journalists there. And I remember my father was over behind them, standing on the corner, as would be his way. He was quieter, and he just smiled. He smiled, such a smile of satisfaction. And I walked through the journalists, and the first thing he said to me was, "Well, I'd take your hurleys for you in your bag." So he was a good man.